Hey YouTube, it's me. It's Sunday afternoon. Just it's been a while since I made a video, but I've been pretty busy lately. Um, just telling you, if you guys are in the market for buying coffee machines, I've got my old Gaggia Platinum Voque, which have been doing pretty well for the past 5 years, but it started playing up again for the second time, so decided that I might just gonna replace it with a more modern, more technology involved in making a coffee, automatic coffee machine. So if you're in the market, I think this is a good time. There's a promotion currently running until the 31st of November. I've got here the Jura Italian brand coffee machines. It's currently retail for $13.50, but there is a promotion. I think yesterday at Harvey Norman they get 10% off on coffee machines. And what even better is they're actually having a trade-in program. So if you can trade in your old working and non-working machine, you can actually get a rebate. So you get a discount for about $300. So, and furthermore, you get like a free a cup, a coffee cup, a mug, and I think a cappuccino cup, a small one. And Jura currently also has a promotion. If you buy the coffee machines, you get 6 months supply of coffee beans. You get a kilo per month. And when I was there, I was lucky that the rep from Jura actually on site. So she told me that what happened is in the beginning you'll get 6 different six different supplier will provide you with the sample, and then you decide which one that you want to get for the next 6 months. So if I've gone through this pamphlet, which is the instruction how do you claim this, you've got Impresa by Jura, you've got Coffee Corporate, you got Cosmoric Coffee. This is some unknown coffee beans, because I don't really buy these coffee beans apart from Safeway, Harris Coffee or Lavazza, just generic brand, and also maybe from the specialized coffee like Jura from Chadston. Anyway, without further ado, let's have a look. I paid $8.99 plus the 5 years replacement warranty for a grand total of $1,000. I think that's worth it. I spent $1,400 for my Gaggia and it lasted me for 5 years, and then I decided to trade them in. And this is the Jura ENA Micro 9, which is a small compact automatic. And you can see Roger Federer is the ambassador for this product. Apparently that's his choice. Instead of capsule, he likes this. And you can see there's a different coffee that you can make out of this. You can have macchiato, cappuccino, espresso, latte. I think that's pretty much it that you can do out of it, and it's automatic, so it's one touch. So let's go through the boxes. Just a usual instruction. This side up, it's breakable, and if you can see, there's a pictures of a nice coffee there. Look at the layer of the cream and a big giant coffee bean magnified. Right, let me see how do you open it up. I think it's from this side. Right, so I guess it's easier if I flip it, but it's a bit risky. Okay, there's a handle here. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Okay, push the box away, and it's covered with this big square foam. And I think if if you look at the instruction, you gotta flip it this way. Yep. Maybe not, but let's take a look at this. And that's the machine. Let's see what's inside this welcome pack. Jura wheel of coffee. Maybe it's an instruction and some bits of pieces like a tools or air filter. Yep, you got the instruction. The warranty comes with 2 years warranty. Oh, a nice printed booklet compared to my Gaggia. And you got this is this hose, I think, to connect to the frother. If you got this, also can do ground coffee and coffee beans, pre-ground coffee, and this is probably the 1 scoop. This one as well, and that's the filter, and that's the cleaning tablet. Apparently, it's only cost you about $1 per tablet, and you probably have to do the regular maintenance once every 3 months, I guess. I have to read through the manual first, but let's have a look with the actual units. So it's kind of plus when I sample the coffee, it's not as good as the Jura Micro 1 because of the frother is inbuilt, but there's a lot of benefit of having this one compared to the Jura 1. I'm just gonna flip this around. Open this thing up. I think the power cable is actually at the bottom here, and if you can look, this is the back view. You got the badge here for Jura. You got the water filter here. It's pretty tiny because again this is micro, so if you're on the market of going to get an espresso and if you have space in your kitchen, maybe you want to think twice. And this is I'm not quite sure, this is the coffee when you store your beans. I can't remember the name now. And that's pretty much the coffee machines. I'll have to read through the manual first before I go through it, but yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this. I'm not gonna make a review of how it went after certain months, and speak to you guys later. See you, mate. Bye.